Look at my jalapeno way.
Ah, you motherfucker. Nice back out.
Little bit of this way.
Hey! Gilbert, you recording?
I'm recording.
Did you see that?
Fuck you, my house, like today.
Let's see that. There's my Pulp Fiction, you suckers.
Hey! Gilbert, watch this. Look, a little bit of orange juice. Oh, that's fucking nasty. That's fucking Jacob already.
I'm already up to me. Oh, there's somebody downstairs.
People can eat, baby.
I didn't know. I thought
Gilbert, ready? Come on.
Did you see what we just did?
This is who's gonna finish the taco the fastest, right?
No, it's just how bad it is. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh,
No.
oh, you already touched it.
Taco is...
I didn't know, you know, I didn't know that you really cared about me that much. Did you really?
Oh, very good, man. Look at my shelf.
Gone? Open your mouth. Let's see it.
Done. Fucking orange juice taco cover.
Put that thing on face there.
No, look over here. Orange juice taco.
God.
You too. Fucking dirty motherfucker.
Hey, really, that thing that
I'll wash it down with the fucking Bud Light.
that thing I'll think about it.
That's it? Signing off?
Cheers.
Any last words for the video?
Sign out.